Hey guys, welcome back. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing this super extra Thanksgiving look, and I'm absolutely obsessed with it. I really loved how this makeup look turned out, and super dewy because right now my skin is so freaking dry. I just really love this time of the year when all your family, all your loved ones, your friends, they all just get together and just reunite and just, you know, just spend time with each other. I'm a very family oriented person. I'm a Capricorn. Everybody that knows me knows that about me. And so yeah, you guys, enough of me rambling. If you guys want to learn how I did this look, then please continue watching. Alright guys, so I just prepped my eyelids and I'm gonna go ahead and start doing my eyes. I actually did not set my eyelids, and that's because I know there was a bunch of times where I was like, you know, I'm always gonna set my eyelids, and I know I was the type of person that, you know, always set the eyelids and, you know, set them in place with translucent powder. So today I didn't, and I know I always said that I was going to because I didn't like how my brushes would get dirty. But today I did not, so let's see how everything turns out. I also bought these two palettes from Juvia's Place. I got the Warrior 2 by Juvia's Place, but I already did dig in. As you guys can see, it's such a beautiful palette, honestly. I did try it the first time on live, so, and a lot of you guys loved how it looked on my eyes, but I did a very natural look with this palette. I think I only used like 3 colors, which are these 3 right here. I didn't do all the I'm gonna be using these 2 palettes, which is the Warrior 2 by Juvia's palette and the Morphe Stunning Vibes palette, which is this one right here. I know I want my eyeshadows to be, you know, vibrant and really pop, so that's why I didn't set them today. Okay, so I'm gonna take this brush from BH Cosmetics. This is the number 7 brush, and I'm gonna go ahead and pick up this shade right here in the palette, which is Zama or Zema, not sure. Okay, I'm gonna do it in the middle first. Oh wow, okay. Wow. I'm gonna go ahead and take this shade right here in the palette, which is called Yodit, and then I'm just gonna start blending. I don't know how this is gonna turn out, but I'm hoping for the best. Honestly, I've never done anything like this, like pack on the eyeshadow and just start blending. I think I did it once, and I don't know, I wasn't like feeling it. I'm taking Yodit on a MAC 224 brush and just blending the shade like this. Now I'm going to be taking Jamata, which is this one right here. It's kind of like a maroon color. And what I'm going to do is just pack this color right in here. Then with a MAC 224, I'm just going to go back in and just start to blend any harsh edges. So we're going to go now with a more darker color. I'm going to be taking, I'm sorry if I cannot pronounce the shade, Kufuru, I think it's called. It's this one right here. I'm going to be taking it with a Morphe M506. I'm going to just really just concentrate this color in here. And one more time. Go with the Morphe M504, and then I'm just gonna start to blend out any harsh lines. And then I'm gonna go back again with Kafuru, and I'm gonna start to go in here like that. I'm gonna go in with this dark brown. Like, I know this is black, but that's a very dark, intense brown. It's called Walsana. Again, I'm very sorry if I'm pronouncing these shades wrong. So I'm going to pretty much concentrate this color again right here. And this is the Morphe times Jaclyn Hill JH39 brush. And then with the Morphe M506, I'm just going to start doing circular motions. Very tiny ones. Now that that's good to go, I'm gonna go ahead and do this eye off camera, and then I'll be right back to do like the crease and all that. Hopefully it comes out good. Alright, so now that I have both eyes ready to go, I'm going to go ahead and start cutting my crease. I'm going to be going with this Jouer Cosmetics concealer. This is the Cream Brulee concealer, and I'm just going to put some on the back of my hand. Alright, so now that this side is good to go, I think I'm going to go ahead and now start to see what kind of eyelid color I want. So I'm going to go ahead and go in with the Stunning Vibes palette, which is this one right here. I'm going to go in with French Kiss, which is this color right here. I'm going to go in with this Makeup Shack T51 brush. I'm going to take this color, which is Kufuru, and then I'm actually going to apply this right here. I'm going to go in with Walsana, and I'm just going to go in here and just pack that shade on. Oh, and by the way, this is the Balm Swing with Swish. Yeah, Swish eyeliner. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this eye off camera, and then I'll be right back. Alright guys, so once I have all my face makeup done, I'm gonna go ahead and apply my lashes. For right now, I want to see how like intense I'm going with like the foundation, the bronzer, and yeah, just seeing how everything goes. But I do have like my top favorites right now, which are right in front of me. I have like 4 pairs of eyelashes, actually 2 Lily lashes and 2 Betty B lashes. So I don't know which ones yet. I know that I'm just gonna have to pick right here on the spot. So I'm gonna go ahead and just start to prime my face. I'm gonna take this NARS primer. I really like this primer just on my T-zone area. I feel like it's a little too drying for me if I apply it everywhere. That's why I like to do it on my T-zone. You guys know that I'm just super oily right here on my T-zone. I'm not super oily here on like my pores and stuff. That's why I like going in with a different primer for that area. And I'm going to take my YSL primer. I really like this primer, especially for that area. I feel like it just smooths out any texture I have or like all my pores. Since I have very like dry skin right now, like my skin is so freaking dry, I'm gonna take my good old NYX Honey Dew Me Up primer. Makes my face look so dewy and so pretty, and I just love it. And I also love how it's a drugstore, it's affordable, you know. Oh no, that's what keeps me buying it and buying it all the time. I'm just gonna take a little bit of this Glam Glow glow setter. Keeps everything just dewy. I got a new NARS Natural Radiant foundation, and you guys already know I am in the shade Aruba, and it's my favorite foundation because I ran out of mine already, and you guys don't know, it's like my true and just ride or die foundation. And I'm just gonna take a flat brush and just start. And I'm actually going to be taking my microfiber velvet sponge, I think, the Juno Co. Sponge. And I've been really liking this sponge, you guys. I did see Nikki Tutorials review on it, and she said she liked it. I was going to buy it, but I was like, I don't know if I, you know, if I like really want it. But then the company actually reached out to me and told me if I wanted one. So I was like, heck yeah, like I've been wanting one. It doesn't soak my foundation up. Honestly, it's very easy to use. That's what I like about it. It really just spreads the foundation evenly everywhere. And see, like, it doesn't soak up all the product. I'm going to take my Jouer Essential High Coverage Liquid Concealer. I'm just going to apply a little bit of this. I'm going to go in with the shade Creme Brulee. If you're around my skin tone, I definitely pick this shade up to highlight because, like, look how bright that is. And it's not white, you know, it's like a perfect undertone for me. And it really just highlights under my eyes so nicely. Alright, so now I'm gonna cream contour with my Fenty Match Stick. This is the Air Cosmetics brush, and I'm really liking it to just blend out my cream contour. It's very stiff. I'm just going to be setting my under eye concealer with my Huda Beauty powder. I'm going to go in with a bigger brush and just set all of my face. And now I'm going to bronze up. I'm going to be taking my Too Faced Dark Chocolate Soleil bronzer. Okay, so now I'm gonna take my NARS Orgasm blush. Just apply it in my right here. I'm gonna now do my under eye eyeshadow. I'm gonna be taking the Juvia's Place palette again. This color right here. Now I'm going to be taking Jamada. Okay, so I'm going to go in with the Baddie B lashes, and these are in the style Baddie. I'm going to go ahead and add some mascara. I'm going to be using my Hourglass Caution Mascara. Alright guys, so I went ahead and changed my eyelashes. I was kind of not feeling how the Batty B lashes looked, but I like the extra. I think these are perfect for this look right here. I'm actually going to be taking a different highlighter. This is the Kylie Jenner and Jordan collab. It's new. Yeah, I'm going to take a little bit of a Best Life. Alright, so for a lip liner, I'm going to be taking my Morphe Spiffy lip liner. This is a really pretty lip liner, especially for my skin tone. But now I'm going to be taking the Frankie Rose Cosmetics liquid lipstick in Macaroon. I love mixing liquid lipsticks together, so I'm going to be taking a little bit of the Morphe liquid lipstick in True Love, and I'm just going to highlight this right underneath here. I'm not even going to go on top, just because I like to mix my lipsticks, like that's my thing. So this is it right here, but if you guys want lip gloss, I honestly recommend getting the Maybelline Vivid Lacquer, and this is in the shade Unreal. It's such a beautiful, beautiful lip lacquer. It's so pretty, and I'm going to apply it right on top. And I'm just gonna go ahead and do my hair, and yeah, I'll be right back. Since my face is a little dry right now, I do want to use my Iconic London Prep Set Glow spray. And this is actually a really cool spray because it really just gives you like a very dewy finish, and I absolutely love it. Like, it's actually pretty freaking bomb. Alright guys, so that's pretty much it for this makeup tutorial. I'm absolutely obsessed. As you guys can see, this is definitely a extra glam for Thanksgiving. Honestly, I love it. I know I'm just gonna be staying at home for Thanksgiving. What are your guys' plans for Thanksgiving? I feel like a lot of people forget about Thanksgiving. They just go straight to Christmas, and that really gets me upset because, you know, Thanksgiving, it's supposed to be time to spend with your family, your loved ones, your friends. And I'm actually gonna wear this exact outfit for Thanksgiving. I want to be super comfy, and it's very cold here in Vegas, so yeah, it's a sweater, a very cute sweater. I actually got this from Fashion Nova. I know that this is one of their new pieces. I did try to get the Cardi B collection. Everything sold out, you guys, so I got this. I was like, you know what, that's not gonna ruin my shopping spree because I got this sweater. And I really like it. It's a really nice material. It's super, super soft. And yeah, I'm actually gonna wear this for Thanksgiving, and like with some high heels, or maybe some high booties. Yeah, this is pretty much it. Like, super comfortable. It's gonna be actually here at my house. Everybody's gonna come here. My family from California, they're gonna come down here and spend it with us. And I'm actually thinking of doing this like up to. What do you guys think? I actually like this. I feel like, you guys know who Thalia is? You guys know what I'm talking about. I feel like that. I feel like Thalia vibes right now. You guys, I have my esquite right behind me. If you guys don't know what esquites are, you're missing out. You really are. I think this one's already cold. If you guys know what esquites are, I fucks with you. I do. It's so good. Dude, this is a whole vibe right here. My esquite, my high ass ponytail. I look snatched. Oh my god. Let me try my. Hold on, can you guys hear me? My mic? Hold on. Let me see if you guys can hear me like actually chew. That's really disgusting. I'm actually gonna cut that out. There's no way. I'm gonna stop. Thank you so much for watching, and happy Thanksgiving, everyone. I'll catch you guys on my next video. Bye, guys.